lads. These birds are proper going for it now. Just done 4 hours and we've come down quite low now. It's really hot, really windy, so it's getting a bit tired. Obviously because they've been doing this every single day. Well, for the last 3 days anyway. As soon as they see me, they should try and drop. That's the plan anyway. The sun's just blinded me. Shit, don't care maybe. That'll be good. They're just gliding around on that wind. So you're going to have a go dropping them now and trying to get up the trap so you can see what they do. The sun's blazing. So you've had a lot of hawks around the last couple of days and buzzards and everything spooking them, but it's just getting them ready for life, isn't it? Getting them used to everything. Waiting for them to do a circuit now. So I had this till today, soon to try to drop them when I put the camera on. That was it, they didn't want to come down. Look beautiful flying in this sun. Nice blue skies behind them. Come on. Beautiful sight that, isn't it? Come on then. Come on. Come on. See. Gorgeous, aren't they? Just waiting for this hatch to drop now. Come on, get in. Go on. Spook one now. See these like big flies that just I don't know where they've come from off the trees, but they don't half spook the birds. It's the last thing you want. No good. What I'm going to do now, right, is pull these trays out, which these are tucking into, and we'll see if we can drop this bird down again. Alright, steady, 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 steady. Come on, get up. Get up. Be safe, 'cause if these have a feed now, I've got one bird out. It's gonna be like nightmare trying to get it back in. Trying to do it from one end of here. Go on, move. Move. There she is. She's dropped again. One of your best birds this as well, to be honest. She never does that, but see these? Got bees nests at the back of the house in the trees, and the bees come down and just start harassing the birds, really spooking them. So, leave it all here now. Come on, babe, come on. Come on. I'll leave that open for a minute. Go then. She's proper spooked at something. She just doesn't want to come in. As you say though, with tipplers this is what happens. You think everything's going alright 1 minute, the next minute something happens, spooks the birds, and when tipplers get spooked, they get spooked. No two ways about it. Come round the back here and she might go round the front then. Go on, get in. Come on. Come on, get in. No, one thing, she'll be hungry tomorrow, she'll be first then. Go on then. Go on. Say just a bit of patience and back off sometimes, and it just helps them. Once you start spooking them, that's it. Just let them do their own thing. There you go. Just do it gently and that's it, they'll just go in the end. Go on then. She says she's still looking spooked now. She is scurrying round to the back. She's one of your best birds, this bird. Absolutely brilliant flyer. But to be honest, they're all the same. There's not one better than the other. All absolutely hard as well, flyers. Go on then. So I'm feeding them Versalager, the curative. Yeah, 3 parts that to the 1 part Versalager breeding mix. Obviously because they're still growing, they're all young. Still developing the feathers and the flights and the body muscle and everything. I'm still putting a good bit of protein in for them. Getting brewer's yeast, vitamins, probiotics, apple cider vinegar, all through the week. Just usually out flying 5 times a week, just while I'm training. Then I'll go down to about 2 to 3 times a week. And obviously we'll do longer flies, but just training at the moment, getting them out, getting them kitten, getting used to coming in. As you see there, one bird just didn't want to come. That's how it is, isn't it? You go perfect and then you put the camera on. And there's always one playing up. Just part of keeping birds, isn't it? Or any livestock. So yeah, I'll give it a good clean out yesterday underneath these grills. You can see. What I do is I put cat litter under there. I just fill it full of cat litter and it absorbs all the moisture. So even though it stays dry anyway, that absorbs all the moisture out of all the droppings. And I have paper underneath cat litter and Demetrius earth underneath that, and that kills all the bugs off. That's what's been working anyway. See, today in the water it's really hot, so for apple cider vinegar, red salt, good with vitamins, isn't it? And natural iron. And I usually swap the vitamins round. I have like about 3 different ones what I use, and every week I'll use a different one on them. Just keeps on guessing, doesn't it? Alright lads, just a quick one today. Take it easy. See you later.